Do not spend more money. Remove back or waist pain by heating this. Back pain affects a lot of people due to bad postures, the long hours that we spend in front of the computer, the pregnancies, or the need to lift weight frequently, mainly. An ailment that sometimes prevents us from performing our day-to-day tasks, and that it is necessary to eliminate by going to the doctor and using home remedies. Fantastic to relieve back pain naturally and without investing a fortune. Ingredients: 1. A piece of ginger root. 2. A glass of mineral water. 3. 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Clean the ginger to remove dirt and bacteria that may have been deposited on it. Then cut into several slices. Heat the water and, when it boils, put the slices of ginger inside. 2. Lower the heat so that the ginger is simmered for about 30 minutes. After that time, remove the water from the fire and let it sit for a while. When you have lost some of its heat and no longer burn, pour the liquid and pour it into a glass. 3. Because the ginger has a very strong and intense flavor, we advise that, before consuming this broth, you add a little honey to sweeten it and soften it. Once this ginger-based compound is to your liking, you can drink it in small sips. If you drink 2 glasses of ginger water a day, back pain will decrease considerably because we are dealing with a natural ingredient that has anti-inflammatory properties. The main benefits of this home health trick aimed at relieving back pains are as follows. It's natural. Is very cheap. It is easy to prepare.